good to have you here again. Your consistency is paying off. Keep going. In this lesson, we'll explore a new concept that will strengthen your understanding even more. C++ Beginner Course, Lesson 3.3, STD Endline and Escape Sequences. Today, we're learning how to control formatting in your output, how to create new lines, how to insert tabs, and how to include special characters like quotes inside your text. You've already seen output with stdcout, but now you learn how to make that output look professional. Understanding these formatting tools now will make your C++ journey much smoother. Here's what we'll cover in this lesson. We'll break down what std endline does, what escape sequences are, and why they're important for formatting your output. We'll look at how to create new lines, how to insert special characters, and the common mistakes beginners make when working with escape sequences. So what exactly is std endline? It's a special output manipulator that inserts a new line, meaning it moves the cursor to the next line, and it also flushes the output buffer. Flushing ensures that everything you've printed appears immediately on the screen. It's useful for formatting and for making your output predictable. Escape sequences are special character combinations that start with a backslash. They allow you to insert actions or symbols into your text, things like new lines, tabs, or quotation marks. They're essential for formatting your output and making your text look exactly the way you want. Here are some of the most common escape sequences you'll use. \n creates a new line, similar to pressing enter. \t inserts a horizontal tab. \double quote allows you to include quotation marks inside your text, and double backslashes lets you print a backslash. These sequences give you precise control over your output formatting. Here are a few conceptual examples. You can use std endline to move to the next line, or you can use \n inside your text to break lines exactly where you want. You can also use \t to create tab spacing, which is useful for aligning columns or creating structured output. We're not running code yet, just understanding the idea. Beginners often make a few common mistakes when working with escape sequences. Forgetting the backslash, typing /n instead of \n, or escaping characters incorrectly are all normal issues. Another common mistake is mixing std endline and \n inconsistently, which can make output harder to read. These mistakes are easy to fix once you understand how escape sequences work. Let's recap. std endline creates a new line and flushes the output buffer. Escape sequences allow you to insert special characters like new lines, tabs, and quotes into your text. These tools help you format your output cleanly and professionally. You're doing great. Keep going, keep learning, and keep building your skills. And thank you for your subscription and support. It really helps me continue creating these lessons for you.